How to delete Temu account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the Temu app on your device. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now, if you're looking to delete your Temu account, follow these quick and easy steps. Step 1 is to tap on the U option at the bottom of your screen. Now, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. From here, you can find 3 green buttons: Account Security, Privacy, and Permissions. Tap on the first one, which is Account Security. Once you tap on this option, at the bottom you can find the option of Delete Your Temu Account. Here it says that if you proceed, Temu will delete the data and content in your account in accordance with the applicable law and as described in the privacy policy. Before permanently deleting your Temu account, you want to go through all of this. If you still want to continue, check the circle that says I want to permanently delete my Temu account and then tap on the continue option. Now you will have to select the main reason for deleting your account. Once you have selected that, tap on the continue option. Here it's going to ask you if you are sure you want to delete your account. Tap on the delete option. Once you do that, your Temu account will be successfully deleted. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.